Let's read. Consonant blends. GR. GR says gr, gr, gr. Green, green, green. Gr. Grass, grass, grass. Gr. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Gr. Green, green, green. Gr. Grill, grill, grill. Gr. Grand, grand, grand. Gr. Grab, grab, grab. Gr. Grow, grow, grow. Gr. Grit, grit, grit. Gr. Grub, grub, grub.
Can you read them?
Green, grass, grapes, green, grab.
Wow, you're doing great. You're a GR word master. Let's see how fast you can go. You did it. You finished the GR words challenge.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.